Another camping hack for you. Baby wipes. See that? Flushable wipes from Kirkland. Don't buy those ones. Buy the regular wipes from Kirkland. These flushable ones suck. They're so disappointing. I actually returned the second case. They just fall apart. Like, you got to use 2 of them together to wash your hands, and even then, they still suck. Maybe they're flushable, but there's no toilet here. I'm not flushing anything. So get yourself some good Kirkland baby wipes. You want that in the door of your car, and you want it in your camping kit, because you know what? Even if your baby's 17 years old like mine, you're still making a mess. You're still stopping for fried chicken for lunch or whatever. You're spilling something in your vehicle. Why not have some affordable solution like a baby wipe? And hey, if it's good enough for the baby's bottom, it's probably good enough to clean some chocolate off my hands.